How to log in a Nordstrom Credit Card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your Nordstrom Credit Card account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to any of your web application and at the top search bar, type in Nordstrom Credit Card Login. As you do so, you will see Nordstrom Credit Card Services Login. Click onto that link. Then you will land onto this page. Now, in order to sign in to your existing Nordstrom card account, all you have to do is enter your username. Once done, type in your password and click on to sign in. In case you have forgotten your password or username, click on Forgot Username or Password. And in case you don't have an account, you have to click on Sign Up Now and create yourself a Nordstrom account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then all you have to do is comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we post. Thank you for watching. We will catch you up soon.